So we're working on remeshing, recornering, and retexturing, repainting these what I would call drywall. Let me know what you think it is. We're repairing these seams. We've got one first pulled in. Gonna have to take a drill and screw those in a little bit. There's another mesh corner. We got these left. Beautiful view to look at while I'm working, and all's going well. Pull number 2 on repairing these seams. This gazebo type area. Beautiful view. Pull number 3 on my seams. It's a very windy day today. I was gonna tape and drape plastic and shoot my texture, pre-sand and do that, but I'm gonna have to check the weather and see if the wind's going to allow it. But everything's looking nice and square now. Tell you what, I'm out here fighting the wind and the plastic. Had to duct tape it. Should have used heavier mill plastic. The wind's just fighting me like crazy. About to sand and shoot texture after covering the fan up. Reminds me of my first time taping at Cheshire Fitness Club. Well, I got me a backup, but I'm thinking at this point, one of them sponge rollers is going to do a little better than this. It's still an alright, but talking about time consuming, dude. This is made for like a little spot. I might go get one of them spongy rollers. Tell you what, I'm out here fighting the wind and the plastic. Had to duct tape it. Should have used heavier mill plastic. The wind's just fighting me like crazy. About to sand and shoot texture after covering the fan up. Reminds me of my first time taping at Cheshire Fitness Club. Today I am using PowerTex by Wagner. So let's cut this loud thing on. Been working on this for several days now. Place looks like a war room. But we finally got everything repaired and retextured and ready for oil base. Very glad this is over with. Shooting so everything seems to be holding off enough for me to I made a border area to seal this in. Keep in heat. We've got our first coat on, letting that dry, and attempting to put a final on. Wanting to take advantage of everything covered before we clean up. So once we pull everything, we're done. We got coat number 2 on the ceiling. Yeah. Working on a Sunday today. Supposed to be inclement weather. So, I made me a work bubble. Today everything's dry. That last one's tacking up right now. It all cleaned up.